Hello and welcome to our humble abode. Today we're going to be reviewing and assembling this Ingenuity high chair. Ari, would you like to tell our viewers a little bit about this high chair?
I would. So we got this product off of Amazon for about $129, and it has a swing away tray, which was the main selling point for us. Back to you.
Alright, let's get this thing open. Instruction book. Alright, now the first thing we want to do is sort everything out so we know what we have and where to start. Step one is to open these. Then step two is to attach them here on these.
And you got them buttons one on the inside, the outside of the buttons.
Well, when I did that, it was backwards. So
The white button on the outside.
that's the way I had it. And with a little deal here. So must have had them on there not right. So that's important to do. There you go. There. So lining these parts up right here where it's indented here and indented here have to line up along with these two holes here with these clips here. And after you get them lined up, then it's set up like this. And then see what else we have here. We have the seat. Then we'll go to step 4, which will be putting on this. And that just clicks in right here, nice and easy. And this is the footrest, which is adjustable. Comes out and it goes into either hole. Then we'll go to step 5, which was just putting that on. Okay, step 6, which is right here. Now I'm figuring this out just like you would. I have not looked at this or anything other than just right now, along with you. It has no words, it just has drawings to go by. So you just kind of, looks like you bend it in here just a little bit. And it has little holes here on this side and this side with these little knobs on there. And you just bend them in until they lock in. And seat belt. And let's see here. What next? Kind of confusing on step 7. Not sure what 7 is. Just putting this on here. Really doesn't have any stuff. These go in here. And this little clip here goes right straight into this one here and this one here, and for your baby to go into here. Now, let's see here. Really sets up forward, and let's see here. These little white levers right here, you push these in to raise it. There we go. Now it's apart. And then you have this little tray. That would go on right in this hole right here. And you just click it in. And it's a little chair with a little whatever you want to do with it. For toys or whatever when you're not feeding them. And then to release it, there's a button right here. And you just swing it away and you can take a child out. Then you don't have to find a spot for this. That's one of the reasons why we bought it, is to have those. Then put that on there, and then the tray, which has little levers on each side, little gray ones, should fit right over this. And there it is. And then it also has another food tray that is separate, so you can feed your baby, and you can take it all the way off, or you can just press the one button and it'll swing away, and you got your food on there and you don't have to worry about it, and you can get your baby out and do whatever you need to do with him. That locks back in. I don't know. Yeah, on flimsy, feels a little flimsy. Not much different than any other. Folds up here with these little levers on both sides, and then press them to latch back out. So, hey, little Luke, how would you like to try it? You would like to try it? Did I hear that right? All right. See how we adjust these. On the back side, to adjust it, you would grab these little things here, these little rolled up ones, push them in, and then go through the fabric, and then go down to your smallest hole, and then push back out, and then they lock in, and then do the other side. So you can go either up or down on it, whichever way you need to. And let's see here. Put this one back through. Make sure it locks. And then we got a little boy here that wants to try it out. Are you excited, Luke? Are you? You excited to try it? Let's try it. Here we go. In you go. Oh, stretch. There we are. Hi. Grab these and pull them right on up. This side. You're smiling today, huh? Oh yeah, there you go. Hey, you got your own chair. You're a big boy now. Here you go. Hands up. Hands up. Here we go. Smack him. Pull that off. And there you are. You fit pretty good in there. What do you think? Say hi to the camera guy. Is that your sister there? Is she doing a good job? Tell her to get your good side. Yeah. What do you think? Shall we use it a while and then give our review of it? I think so. Alright, we will be back with a review. Well, after we've reviewed it, these are my thoughts. You have 3 positions for reclining. You can go all the way up and all the way down and in between. That lever is right behind here. Then, like I say, you can pull out the tray and put it back on. Tray pulls out here and then lifts up to get that off. Then you can all adjust the height with buttons right underneath here that go all the way down, and then you can just pull them back up. Then we have the tray that just put on right here. It also has variable places that you can put positions, and those are 4 of them. And then what's really nice about this is that you can remove this and get all the garbage off and get it cleaned up, and you have a nice clean one. And then you also have a little pull out for when you're feeding them. You can put forks and spoons here and things. So, and you put toys on there, and so that is really nice. And you can still swing it out. What's really nice is if your baby gets all messy and stuff and you got to get them out before even cleaning it up, you don't have to find a spot to put the tray, because it just swings out and clips back in for, you know, or you can take it off and set it off somewhere. So that is really nice thing. And when you get tired of it and you need to get rid of it and the kid can play, it stores really nice right back here on the back side, just like that. Right down here. So it's really nice to do that. Now another thing that's really, really nice about this is that there's a lever right underneath here, a little white one. Just pull that, and the baby comes off, and you have a booster seat. Now there is some other cabling here that is for this when you put it on a chair. So you can use just this base part here and strap it onto a chair and use it that way, while another toddler can use it here with a little booster here. And the straps are right here for that. So you have that. And that just folds away, back away for just infants. And to put this back on, you just grab it and it clips right back in place. So you can use this just the way it is, or you can put this and put it on the floor and play with your baby down there, or, you know, basically on table, you know, talk to them and do whatever you need to do there, and or put it on the table in your kitchen, or on a chair, or right back here. So that is really nice setup to do that. This looks like it's really nice. It's not a vinyl, it's more halfway between. It's sort of like a parachute type material. So it feels like it would be really easy to clean, but it's not that really gross plasticky feel either. So that is really nice. The padding's kind of sparse, as with most baby stuff, but it does have padding. And besides being a little plasticky, I'd give it a 4 stars out of 5. I would have gave it 5, but you know, it's kind of plasticky everywhere. You know, if it would have been a little bit more quality and got rid of a little bit of the plastic here and there, it probably would have got a 5 star, but too much plastic. 4 stars, that's the best I can do. Seems to be well worth the money. It's $120 some on Amazon. That's shipped with Prime. Like I say, you can't beat having the swing away tray. That way you don't have to worry about the mess trying to find a place to put the tray. Your new mothers, you'll find it out pretty soon that, you know, the tray is a big pain in the, you know what, whenever it's messy and you got to deal with your baby, trying to find a place for that tray while you deal with the kid. So being able to just swing them away and deal with your child and coming back later and deal with the tray, it's a lot better. Now, we had a hard time finding anything with the swing away, so this was one of the only ones that said they were a swing away. So I would definitely think about the swing away. Other than that, you know, it's a 4 out of 5 stars. Definitely a good look at. So there's my review. Have a nice day. Well, hi there. If you liked our video, please like and subscribe. And you got any questions, leave a comment down below. Tell us about this.
How's the box, Shmoo? Is it all you ever hoped for? Is it the right height?
This is what we live for, people.
Shmoo gives it a 5 star.
Alright.
Great.
So now nobody's gonna do anything.
Okay. Action.
Hello and welcome to my home. Today we're going to be reviewing this high chair and this kitten cat.
No, my God. Yeah, you're not supposed to say the kitten cat. We're not reviewing the cat.
Oh, okay.
You're also supposed to say humble above.
Okay, alright, got it. Hello and welcome to our humble abode.
You said it weird. You're not supposed to length out humble. You're just supposed to say humble above.
Hello and welcome to our humble abode.
You've been saying it so weird. Just say in your normal voice, hello and welcome to our humble abode.
Well, she said it, so let's review the cat.
Oh my God.
Oh, I mean the high chair. Hello and welcome to our humble abode. We are live from Hawaii.
No, we're not.
That was good.
Oh, okay.
I like that one.
Hello and welcome to our humble abode. We are live from North somewhere.
North Dakota.
North
Is that where we're
Hawaii.
at?
North Hawaii.
We're not in
Okay,
Hawaii.
okay.
It's literally, it's
Moo.
been cold these past few days.
I know it's like Alaska. Hello and welcome to our humble abode in Alaska.
It's not Okay.
Okay, another reason I
Can I
think
go
I
get
got
a
it.
refreshment?
Another reason it looks better quality than others. It doesn't have such slim legs on it.
Can I get a refreshment? I'm getting a refreshment. I'm parched.
I need a raise. To work with that, I need a raise. Okay? I'm just saying, I demand a union. I can't work with that lady any longer. I want a replacement. I'm just saying. What do you think, Luke? Are you up for the job?
You're not getting paid, honey.
Huh?
Not getting paid.
Well, Luke, she's not paying me. What are we going to do? Should we go on strike?
We don't get paid enough to act
Luke's
on
getting
these.
paid.
What?
Luke's not getting paid either? Luke, did you know you're not getting paid for any of this?
No, Luke is getting paid.
Hey, what?
Luke is getting
What are you
paid.
paying him in? Milk?
It's between him and his momager.
Momager? I think I'm getting ripped off here.
He has an
Zip your lid! I'm trying to act!
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
It has a swing array, swing away, swing array, swing